Back in the 1992 when P.J. Patterson take up the Prime Minister chair, GCT just a brand new thing pon we back. It did come in 91 at 10% and people still a grumble about it. By 1993 the government raised it go 12.5%. Shopkeepers start ball market lady haffi add little more pondi price and the people dem say, Lord God this tax ya serious. Come 1995 Finance Minister Omar Davies dropped the next bomb. GCT push up to 15%. From then 5 years pon years that number never move. Every receipt, every bill, everybody knows say 15% dede. But time change. In a 2010, under Bruce Golding and Audley Shaw the rate fly up to 17.5%. Whole heap of people vex say the government has squeezed them too tight. Then 2012 come Portia Simpson Miller step in with Peter Phillips and dem cut it down lickle, back to 16.5%. People say, at least we catch lickle breda. Finally, in a 2020, Andrew Holness and Nigel Clarke get the people dem a leckle ease. Dem drop it back to 15%. Same number way Patterson set from 1995. When and so from then till now, GCT up, down, up again. Always a reminder say when Parliament changed a number pon paper, it touch every lickle shop, every light bill, and every pocket right cross yard.